Charlie Cushane here to do a quick update on my banyan tree. This is about 2 3/4 years old. It's the middle of February and we had a hard frost 2 weeks ago. And the leaves of the tree all turned brown. And they've started to fall off. As you can see on the ground here, there's leaves everywhere. And I'm hoping things get better with time. As you can see, there's all kinds of dead brown leaves on the ground, and the branches are bare. Now they do have, it looks like buds on them. So I'm hoping this spring, you can see that these buds will start growing. But as of right now, this tree really looks like it's in trouble. That 2 days of solid frost really did a number. I mean, this is unbelievable. I will update you shortly for the 3-year update, but I'm hoping these branches come back to life because it doesn't look good right now.